Flocks of pigeons roosting or perching on a property can potentially lead to damage to premises, and the unsightliness caused by their droppings can affect all kinds of buildings, both old and new. Droppings are not only unsightly, but are unhealthy if left over time. The corrosive uric acid in pigeon droppings can damage most building materials if left untreated. Without adequate prevention, the pathogenic organisms found in pigeon excrement and ectoparasites found in nesting material can cause diseases and other hazards. So, what is the solution? Make sure all debris is removed, such as nests and old netting, and ineffectively applied spikes. But should not affect efficacy if all of the solid matter has been removed. Supplied in a 250ml mastic type dispenser tube, which is applied through a screw-on nozzle using a standard type corking gun. Is supplied with 15 low-profile clear plastic dishes into which the gel is dispensed. Bird-free optical gel contains natural oils, the smell of which also helps repel the birds. It also has properties in it that birds see as ultraviolet. Place the dishes at regular intervals along the area to be protected. Bird-free optical gel is a low-profile bird control product which is invisible from the ground, ideal for historic or architecturally important buildings. The effect is almost immediate. Birds will completely desert a habitat they've used for years once bird-free optical gel is applied. Birds will not only avoid the areas, but in some cases totally change their flight patterns. Displaced birds will then flock to untreated areas on the same building or to a completely new location. The gel will remain completely effective for at least 2 years after a proper installation. Bird-free optical gel is an effective method of bird control that is humane, eco-friendly, and it works.